Right off the bat, this is a good box design. The golden stylus tells you exactly what phone comes in it. The sides do give it away though, with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 clearly visible with the glossy black lettering. On the back are the phone specifications, and we can tell that this one is the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. Now we'll get into that in a bit, but for now, let's unbox this. The first thing we get is not the phone itself, but this smaller box that contains the SIM eject tool and the phone's documents like the warranty and quick start guide. Now let's get to the phone. It's neatly wrapped in plastic, but you can see the glossy glass finish on the back. Let's see what else we have here. There's the USB Type-C cable and the bundled AKG earphones. There are some additional ear tips bundled in as well. And this is the S Pen tool. Finally, there are the bundled USB-A to USB Type-C and the micro USB to Type-C converters. Getting to the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 sports a 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by Samsung's Exynos 9810 SoC, and like we said, this particular unit has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage and is priced at 67,900 rupees. There's another variant as well with 8GB of RAM and a 512GB of internal storage that sells for 84,900 rupees. Both variants have expandable storage support for up to an additional 512GB micro SD card, and there's also a 4000 mAh battery inside. The S Pen now has a Bluetooth module which gives it additional functionality, which we'll be putting to test in our review. There's a horizontal dual rear camera setup comprised of two 12-megapixel sensors with autofocus lenses. The secondary sensor has a telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom support. On the front, there's a single 8-megapixel camera. There are quite a few launch offers on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that can be availed via the Samsung mobile store. The phone will be available with 6,000 rupee cashback on transactions made using HDFC Bank cards. Additionally, you will get a Gear Sport worth 22,900 rupees for 4,999 rupees if you pre-order the phone. Finally, there is an exchange discount of up to 6,000 rupees via Samsung Shop. Amazon has the same set of offers along with an exchange discount of up to 15,850 rupees, while Flipkart also offers similar deals with up to 15,950 rupees off on exchange. So this is a quick first look and unboxing at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.